Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product here, and this product is from Wingreens farms. They are into basically sauces and dips, and today what I have with me, the product that's with me is the Wingreens farms original recipe pizza and pasta sauce. So guys, this is a pizza and pasta sauce here from Wingreens farms, and today we are going to review this product. So let's start off with the packaging of it. First of all, I really like the packaging of all of the Wingreens products because they come in this amazing squeezy packs which are easy to use and easy to store, right? So that is the first thing I want to let you all know, that it comes in this amazing squeezy packs, right, which are easy to store and easy to use. Then right on top you can see the Wingreens branding right here, Wingreens farms, a pure vegetarian symbol right here. Then it says pizza and pasta sauce original recipe. Then an illustration of the pizza and pasta shown here. It says premium ingredients, superior taste. So they say that they use premium ingredients in making these sauces. So let's take their word for that. Moving on to the back of the pack, here again you can see the Wingreens branding right here, the pure vegetarian symbol, and pizza pasta sauce original recipe, premium ingredients, superior taste is their tagline. Ingredients of the sauce are basically 40% plus of the sauce is tomato paste. It contains liquid glucose. It has onions, sunflower oil, water, sugar, iodized salt, red chili flakes, acidity regulators, mixed herbs, garlic, milk solids, mixed spices and condiments and thickeners used to make this amazing sauce here, because I have tried this sauce and I just love it. Then they are manufactured by Wingreens Farms, which is a women's initiative network. Nutritional information is given here. Per 100 gram it price for 200 kcal of energy. The FSSAI license number is shown here. Stored in a cool dry place away from sunlight. Refrigerate after opening. Net weight of this pack is 450 grams and the MRP of the same is rupees 149. Okay. Shelf life of this is again 9 months, which is pretty good. So they provide 9 months of shelf life, which is quite good. So yeah, that's about the packaging of the product. Now coming to the top of it, they have this easy lid here, which you can open and close, twist to open lid, which you can easily open and close, so that this sauce doesn't spill out. It is basically sealed when you buy it. I have been using this sauce like I told you all, and it's amazing. So that's why it's open, but very easy to open and close, so I can easily store it and without the worry of it spilling. So you can see it doesn't spill easily because it has a very nice and tight cap right on it. Now the best part of this type of packaging I like is basically it is very easy to use. So you just open this up, you take as much as you want, you can easily push out whatever, and you can use it to the completely, right? You can completely use all the sauce. It's like you buy a plastic bottle or a packaging of a bottle kind of a thing, or a jar. You can't actually scoop out everything. You end up adding water and using it. But in this type of packaging, it's very simple. You just can squeeze out everything, and at the end you can just cut it open also and use it. So it allows you to use it 100% completely. That's what I like about these packaging. Very nice for people who like use it very frugally, you can say. Yeah, so overall packaging is amazing. 5 on 5 for the packaging for Wingreens, for this amazing packaging that they have, right? Now let's look at the sauce. Let's talk about the consistency of the sauce and stuff. So it is a free flowing consistency, not like a very thick consistency. Free flowing consistency as it should be for a pizza or a pasta sauce. The way you would like it on your pizza or pasta is a free flowing consistency. So you can see this. So it has this not very deep red color like a tomato ketchup, but a orangey red color, and there are chunks of onion, garlic and various herbs that can be seen in it, in this, and it has a mixed aroma of the tomatoes and onions and garlic and the herbs. Very, very aromatic with the herbs. And it is, like I said, it's not very, very thick, but it is nice and free flowing. Like this, and it is easy, like you just take it and apply it on your pizza, just spread it around with a spoon. Very easy to spread it around as well. So overall, I really like the sauce and it goes well on pizzas, pastas. I even added to wraps and have it. I enjoy it as a dip with sandwiches as well. So it's an amazing, very versatile sauce. Tastes really amazing. Like I think this is the best sauce that is available. If you do not want to make a pizza sauce at home, go for the Wingreens pizza and pasta sauce. It's an amazing thing. I think one packet will last you for like 2 to 3 pizzas at least, or more. Yeah, definitely more. 2 to 3 pizzas is very little I'm talking about. It will definitely last you much more than that. Pasta, when you're making pasta with that, definitely it will come up to like two times you can use this one pack for making amazing pasta as at home. So yeah. So now coming to the taste test, I already tasted it and I liked it. Now this is just for you all. I'm going to taste it plain as well and tell you how does it taste. Amazing sauce. You have the garlicky taste in it. You have the herbs, tanginess of the tomatoes. Amazing. Really goes well with pizzas and pastas. Also goes well as a nice dip for sandwiches. You can use it as spread on sandwiches as well. Lovely taste. So overall, I enjoy the sauce. I really like it. And this is the second packet that I bought on the time I saw it and tasted it. So you can understand. I really like this sauce. Like if you want to make pizzas and pastas and don't want the hassle of making a sauce at home, this is what you need to buy. So guys, it's available online on Amazon. I'll left a link in the description below. You can directly purchase it from there. Right? So yeah, it's an amazing sauce like I told you. And their other products are also amazing. They have this cheese sauce which is just yum. They also have this veg mayonnaise which they have is also amazing. I have tried that as well. So I'm going to soon review those as well. So you all should, like, if you all haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe to it. I'm going to review them shortly. And all of their products are amazing, I would say. They also have dips which are great. I've tried them as well. So really a big fan of Wingreens Farms. Their sauces and their dips are just amazing. So guys, again, if you are going to buy this online, it's available on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. And guys, if you all haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to it. And if you all like this video, don't forget to hit a thumbs up for this video. Till then, like, we will be back with a new video very soon. So stay tuned for that.